Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. So I have made peach pit and peel vinegar. I had a bunch of peach skins and pits from canning peaches this week. And I decided to make peach vinegar. I want to give a shout out to Jessica at Three Rivers Homestead for the Every Bit Counts challenge. I've been following her and I heard her comment about how she made this, and I'm like, wait, I make pineapple vinegar, I make apple cider vinegar. I never thought of making peach vinegar, and I have all these stuff in my kitchen sitting here waiting to, throw out or give to the chickens. I'm like, before they get it, we're gonna do this. So what I'm doing is, you can see I've got it here in my gallon jug. It's gonna sit in here for about a week. It's already kind of darkened because when I was scalding my peaches, I put that water in here for the water. So it already has quite a bit of peach juice from scalding my peaches to peel them. But I have chlorinated water, and I didn't want to use chlorinated water in my vinegar. So the water that I had boiled the chlorine out of was a great choice. Plus, again, less waste. Zero waste is the goal in my kitchen. And if I can use that peach scald water to make something, I'm going to do it. So I went ahead, let it cool down, then added all the peach pits and cut-offs that weren't rotted, but were bruised and nasty in here. And it's going to sit in here for between a week and 2 weeks. And then I'm going to strain it out and let it set for another 6 months. And it will form a mother, and it will make vinegar. And it will be lovely vinegar. You can also put like some oak chips from a wine store in here to give it a little bit better flavor. But yeah, so I have almost an entire gallon. If I filled it with more water, it would be a whole gallon of peach pit vinegar. And I'm very excited about that. So one more thing, I have the pineapple, I have the apple cider, I made dill vinegar. I'll put the link up above for the dill vinegar recently. So many uses, and flavored vinegars are wonderful for salads. So there you have it, zero waste in our kitchen today. And one more thing we can make out of nothing, out of garbage, really, into something very beautiful, edible, and very flavorful that will enhance other dishes in our kitchen. So there you have it, Rebel Canners, zero waste today. Have a good day. Be sure to check out this next video we've selected for you. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time, Rebel Canners.